Hello everybody, welcome to our presentation. My name is Mickey and this is Isabella and Alexander.
Hello!
And our game is called Composting Simulator. And Isabella here is going to tell us what it's all about. Okay, Isabella?
Okay, so our game is about how to compost and how it will help our environment. So, in the game, you will need to be making a green dragon and catching good natural ways for our environment to make composting.
Thank you, Isabella. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump straight into the game.
Yes.
The Earth, our dear home, is losing its soil bit by bit.
Right now, Earth has lost over 60% of fertile soil.
Your mission is to build a machine that will grow soil and rebuild the Earth. You need to follow the picture's orders and drag the building pieces to make the green dragon.
So what you need to do is to drag the blocks to the right part of the structure. When you are done, a done button will show up. Press it to continue. Get to it. Hooray!
That was an awesome job! Nice job! You did it! I couldn't have done better myself. I knew you could have done it. Great job at getting it right.
Good job. Well, good luck on the next part.
Now that you've finished the building part, time for you to collect the organic waste palette. Use the rectangular arrow keys smooth. And the items you need should be appearing. No! You need to collect 5 of each item. But be careful, there are also less junk you won't need. If you collect more of the junk, your health will go down. If you get 5 junk pieces, you have to restart. Go! Go! Go!
Okay, so what I'm gonna do here, I pause the game so that I can explain the bug.
So the game was really slow and it wasn't really fun and it was a little boring because it was so slow. So what we did was Mickey made the speed of every spray a little faster so the game would have more energy and make it faster.
Exactly, and then I'm just drawing like a little something here to show us like what we have. So before I changed it, like the speed of the organic waste was -5, and while the speed of the junks were a -3. But now I changed the speed of the organic waste to -7 and the speed of the junk to -5. So yeah, we're gonna get back straight into the game where we left off. We have a final animation.
Yeah.
H-U-R-R-A-Y-O-U-V-I-V-I-P. Hooray! Earth Savers!
So yeah, guys, that was our game. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you like this video. And for now, we'll be going. So stay home and stay safe. Bye.